In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix colors on Affinity Photo. First, open Affinity Photo and load the image you want to correct. Give it a second to render at full resolution so you're seeing an accurate preview. If you're working with multiple images, switch to the one that needs correction before moving on. Next, look to the top of the interface and click on Pixel. This ensures you're in the proper editing mode for direct pixel adjustments. You'll notice the main toolbar and panels are now geared toward detailed, photo-based edits, which is exactly what we need for color work. Now, move your cursor to the option for creating a new adjustment layer. You'll typically find this near the top controls or within the layer tools. Don't click away from your document. You want the adjustment to apply to the image that's currently active. Adjustment layers are non-destructive, which means you can tweak them later without permanently changing your original photo. From the adjustment options that appear, choose the tools that fix color and start fine-tuning. Begin with white balance to correct overall warmth or coolness, and the green magenta tint. Small slider moves go a long way. Then try levels or curves to set true blacks and whites into balanced midtones, which often brings dull colors back to life. For color intensity, vibrance is a great first stop because it boosts muted colors while protecting skin tones, and saturation can be used sparingly for stronger impact. If a specific hue is off, like a sky that's too cyan, use HSL to target that color range and adjust hue, saturation, and lightness precisely. You can stack multiple adjustments, rename them to stay organized, and drag them to reorder their influence. Keep an eye on the histogram for clipping, and toggle each layer's visibility to compare before and after. When the colors look natural and consistent, you're done. That's how to fix colors in Affinity Photo quickly, cleanly, and with full control.